This video is going to talk about saved queries. A saved query is an ability to save an executed query for reuse by anyone. So we have the saved queries drop down, broken into categories. And there are two types of saved queries, static and dynamic. The static one is simply a search criteria that when you click on it, it plops it into the search box, allowing you to now execute that search and find where you have SQL code in the programs. A dynamic saved query allows for some interactivity or interaction between the user before it plops the query inside the search box. For example, if we went to mainframe source and did legacy value to field, now the user is asked, what fields are you looking that are moved? And you can say, I want a Y or an N or a Z or an S. And what field or part of field does it move to? You can say maybe tax or code or 1099. Now, when you click insert, the saved query will take the parameters and build the dynamic query for the user. This allows to reuse the same query with different parameters. And when we search this, we will now find all the programs that are moving certain values to certain fields as requested. Creating the saved query is a very simple process. So let's assume that this query, which we just built, we wanted to create a saved query from it. We would click on the Save button, give it a name, a description. We could say if it's visible to everybody. And then every place where we want it to be dynamic or interactive, we simply insert a parameter and say, please enter field name. And then where the field names exist, you simply mark it and insert a parameter. That's all it is to make a saved query. Once you save this, next person using will be prompted with that prompt, please enter field name, and whatever the user enters will be built into the search criteria. That was a short video about saved queries.